Yeah, I have them right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the red and you got the white one.
Yeah.
What do you think, Andy?
Haley.
Okay, honey.
What's up?
Murph, how are ya?
Good, and you?
I'm good.
Where's your car?
I didn't bring my car.
Oh, neither did I, so.
I haven't insured it or registered it, so I figured I probably ought to bring it.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, I tried to get Michael Bunny.
Oh, camera just broke.
What?
Honda, camera just broke. Honda came into view.
Oh. I love that mini bike. It's too cute. I didn't see this one. I'd have voted for that one just for the last name alone. Please, though.
I love her paint job.
I like that. That is a nice feature.
Special, but it does.
65 roses, we got a little bit of tape on it.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Everything should have.
Yeah,
Kids can't say.